Okay, so I've come back to this journal and also medicine and surgery because I have an account made in this journal. Okay, you have to first make an account before you publish or submit your article. Okay, so now I will press here the submit button. And also medicine and surgery gives you an option to run a pre-submission check that makes sure that your article is complete and it's not missing out on anything. And then I will skip to submission because I don't want to get this done, although I can. It's for free. Now I will log in and now I have logged in. Okay, well, for next step, what I will do is I will submit a manuscript. Yes, I want to do a start a new submission. Okay, so firstly, it's asking me what is your article type. Okay, experimental research, systematic review, perspective, RCT, cross-sectional, cohort, quality improvement project, case studies, case report, health economic evaluation, editorial, invited, special paper, or review article. Okay, and I can go for it's a cross-sectional study. I guess so. It will come in under that thing. Okay. Correspondence, editorial letter, and review. Okay, let me go for the review because it's an epidemiological analysis. It's like kind of a review article. Okay. So I have pressed the review button now, and now here I will upload my article, whatever it is. For example, suppose it's this one. Okay, so now it's asking me that you have to get these things done also. Author disclosure form, cover letter, highlights, title page. Highlights are just 4 to 5 lines of what are like the crux of your whole article. Okay, and then we have the title page. So I will be uploading all that stuff here. Just let me randomly upload stuff. And then I can, sorry, go for the title page. Make it as figure. Okay, saying for the title page, you need to submit a Word document. Okay, it's already submitted. Now we have it. Let me make this the title page. Okay, and then the next thing that the highlights. I also need a Word document for the highlights. I will just choose this one. And then I need something for the cover letter. And then the author disclosure form. Okay, so all done, only highlights left. Okay, so let me, okay, for the highlights, let me change, add another document. Okay, so now I am here and it will not accept this one. Okay, so all done, I guess, yeah. So now we are moving on to the next step, that is proceed. And it is asking me which region do you belong to. Okay, I will press here and then the next step. Suggest two reviewers. Okay. You will add the reviewer's name. Reviewers are good if you add like proper international authors in this one because they are more accepted. But even you can add any of the person that you know that is a good researcher. So you can add their name, their email, and especially it's good that if you add someone who will respond to the journal. Okay. So go for those people who you already know. Or even those people who you don't know, but they are good people and they will respond if they will get some kind of review. So I've added two reviewers. Then it's asking me that I as a corresponding author, you are responsible for completing the authorship. Yes, I agree. Are aware of agree to the submission of the manuscript. Yes, I do. And then we have all authors have read and confirmed that they meet the guidelines criteria. Yes. Any person in the acknowledgement section have agreed to be so named? Yes. And changes to authorship? Yes, I understand. I understand. Competing interest, none. Competing interest mean that if you they like you people started working on an article on a topic, and then you had like there was some kind of conflict between the authors, so you have to report it, and there was some fallout and stuff like that, so you have to report it beforehand. Okay, and financial activities, employments and grants, was it funded or not? Yes. Then we have label. The word does not use any label names. Well, what about the ethical approval? You have to press yes. Statistical analysis, was it done or not? Okay, so you'll be going through all this stuff and then you will proceed, and then they would be after this, they would just ask you about any comments you want to write to the editor, you want to message that editor, something like that stuff. Okay, so you can ask a waiver or something like that in the comment section. And then the last one is a full review, and then you will get it submitted and published. Okay, so one thing that was left was the ORCID IDs. As the researchers, you all need to get your ORCID IDs made. Okay, let me discuss it in the next one.